Hello, once again. My name is Safine, and I'm going to be showing you how to heat cotton fabric. And what you need is just fabric and towel. Now, this is optional. You could use the ground, you could use a metal tray, or maybe a glass plate or a mirror, something, as long as it is heat resistant. That's what is most important here. We also need a soldering iron, and this soldering iron must be plugged and hot because we need to do some melting. Okay, so you pick your piece of fabric.
Don't touch this part. Hold it here like this.
You use the soldering iron to trace whatever you want to cut out. Just trace it through the point where you'd originally go through with your scissors. And in this case, I want to trim off this flower patch, so I'm going in round it. Now, once your soldering iron touches any part of the fabric, it melts. So we'll go all the way, and we'll try it on 2 more types of fabric, and we'll be good to go. See? So neat and smooth. Let's try. Done. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.